In March 2023 we visited the Maldives. Starting our journey in Hulhumale was a great way to see how locals live and find out about their culture. Cab from the airport to our hotel cost us $7 and it takes about 10 minutes. We stayed at NB Grand Hotel for $90 for one night including breakfast. Hulhumale is a reclaimed island located in the south of North Malé Atoll. The island was created by moving sand from the seabed to a coral platform in order to solve the problem of overpopulation in the capital of the Maldives, as well as to protect local residents from the threat of rising sea levels. Reclamation of Hulhumale began in 1997 and completed in 2015. By the end of 2019, there were more than 50,000 residents and aims, at term, to host 240,000 people. Since the island is located in the Hulhul Lagoon and developed as an extension of the city of Male, it was given a combined name, Hulhumale. Today, the island has hotels and guest houses, schools and banks, several medical institutions and pharmacies, police and fire services, a mosque, a market, dive centers, cafes and shops, as well as beautiful modern parks. Traveling from Male by public ferry will be the cheapest and will take no more than 20 minutes. It cost $1 one way. Buses from Valana Airport to Hulhumale run 7 days a week at intervals of 30 minutes. The duration of the trip is no more than 20 minutes, the price is about $1.5. A taxi ride from the airport will cost $7 to $10 and take no more than 15 minutes. The public beach is located in the eastern part of the island. There are a number of cafes and eateries near the beach. It is suitable for swimming, but as a sign of respect for the Muslim community, bikinis are strongly discouraged here. After an interesting and colorful Hulhumale we headed to Mafushi Island.